Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix emoji not showing on iPhone keyboard. If your emoji keyboard is missing or not showing up on your iPhone, don't worry, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's get started. So step 1, that is to enable emoji keyboard. So first, let's check if emoji keyboard is enabled. To do that, simply open the settings and from here, you can simply scroll down and tap on General. And in the General section, you can see the option labeled Keyboard. Simply tap on that. And from here, you can simply scroll down to the bottom and see if emoji is there. If it is not enabled, simply enable that. And if the emoji is not listed, then you can simply tap on keyboard, and in this section you can see the other option labeled add new keyboard. Simply tap on that and select emoji. And now open your keyboard and check if the emojis are showing. If not, then let's move to the next step. So step 2, that is to restart your iPhone. So sometimes a simple restart can fix minor glitches. So press and hold the power button and volume up or down button, and once you do that, you can simply slide to power off your iPhone and wait for a few seconds, and once you do that, you can simply turn it back on. And after that, you can check if your emojis are back. If not, then let's move on to the another fix. Now, step 3 is to update iOS. Did you know your emoji may not be showing due to the outdated iOS version? So you can simply go to the settings and tap on General. And in the General section, you can simply tap on Software Update. And in this section, you can simply see if any update is available. If there is, you can simply tap download and install. And after that, you have to wait for the update to complete. And once you do that, you can simply check if your keyboard has the emoji options there. If not, then let's move forward to the step 4. That is to reset keyboard settings. So if the issue persists, you can try resetting the keyboard settings. To do that, you can simply go back to the settings, and from there you can simply tap on General. In the General section, you can simply scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. And in this section, you simply need to tap on Reset. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on the option labeled Reset Keyboard Dictionary. And once you tap on that, you simply need to enter your passcode to confirm. And once you have reset your keyboard, you can simply check if the emoji option is back on your keyboard. If not, then let's move to the step 5. That is to check third-party keyboards. So if you have installed any third-party keyboard, it may be interfering with your emoji keyboard. So you can simply open the settings and tap on General. And in the General section, you can simply tap on Keyboards and again tap on Keyboards. And in this section, if you see any third-party keyboards, you can simply edit and remove them. And after that, you can simply restart your iPhone and check if the emojis are back. And that's it. After following these steps, your emoji keyboard should be back and working perfectly on your iPhone. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.